Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 4X Antony. Here you can see this is Redmi 4X. This is MIUI 12.0.3 stable version Xiaomi.eu. This is the latest MIUI 12.0.3 version available for Redmi 4X. Let's check the specification. This is the port ROM. You will get Android version 10 installed in this ROM. Here you can see Android Q. This is the updated version of the previous MIUI 12 version with many of the bugs fixed. There are few bugs in this ROM which we will talk about later. Here you can see app is running in the background, updater app is running in the background. Here you will get Android security patch, November security patch. Need for speed no limit kernel installed in this ROM. Let's check the features of this ROM, whether all features works or not. First bug is the vibration. Vibration is not working in navigation bar. In call, vibration is working perfectly when you receive the call. When you receive the call on the device, vibration is working perfectly. Here is the security status. Here you get the find device is on. Here you can see I have logged in my MI account. Here you can see you can easily log in. Let's check the SIM card. Jio is working perfectly, no problem in Jio. Here you can see it's work perfectly, no problem. Use Volt. Volt is also working perfectly. Earlier Volt icon is coming, and then after reboot Volt icon is disappeared, but Volt is working perfectly, no problem in Volt. You can easily receive the code. Mobile data is also working perfectly, no problem in mobile data. And let's check the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is also working perfectly, no problem in Wi-Fi. You can easily connect Wi-Fi, no problem. Here you can see it is available. Let's check the hotspot is also working perfectly. Here is the hotspot. Let me turn off the on the hotspot. Here you can see it works perfectly, no problem in hotspot. I will show you another device also. Here you can see. Let's check the Wi-Fi also. This ROM is coming soon. Here you can see Redmi 4. Redmi 4 is available. You can easily connect, no problem in connecting. I have already tested. Bluetooth. Let's check the Bluetooth also, whether Bluetooth works or not. We will connect it to the Bluetooth device. Here you can see this is our device. Let's turn on this device, whether it works or not. Here you can see light is blinking. Let's wait for a few seconds. Bluetooth takes sometimes to connect. Here you can see it is the here you can see here is the aim of our device. Let's connect. Pairing is done in few seconds. You can easily pair in within few seconds. Here you can see let's pair. You can easily connect, no problem in connected. Here 80% battery active. Here you can see it's work perfectly. Not there is no restart of Bluetooth. You can easily connect it in car audio devices also. Let's check the always on display. Here is the always on display available in this ROM. Show time. Let's check always. Here you can see always on display is working perfectly, no problem in always on display. You can easily customize your always on display also. Let's check the customization. Here is the items. Here is the style available. You can easily customize your icon. AOD. Let's apply this. Here you can see it's work perfectly, no problem in AOD, but it drains a battery lot. Notification edge lighting is also working perfectly, no problem in edge lighting. You can enable it. Here is the sleep mode. Raise to wake is also working perfectly, no problem in raise to wake. Tap fingerprint sensor is also working perfectly. When wake, no fingerprint is enrolled. Let's check the fingerprint tap wake device. Here you can see it work perfectly. Here is the lock screen format. Let's check the lock screen format if it works or not. Here you can see lock screen format is also working perfectly, no problem in lock screen format. Side panel controller, charging animation. Let's check the charging light is working or not. Here is the charging light. Mic is also working in call. Here you can see it works perfectly, no problem in charging light. You can easily charge. Charging speed is average. Let's check the display. Here is the display brightness level is also working perfectly. Automatic brightness is also working perfectly. Sunlight. Here is the sunlight mode. It also works perfectly. Here is the reading mode. Reading mode is also working perfectly, no problem in reading mode. Classic paper adjust automatically. Schedule. Here you can see it works perfectly. It sometimes it carries problem. Reading mode. Here you can see I have turned off the reading mode, but it is not turning off. You have to change from it here. Dark mode is also working perfectly, no problem in dark mode. In other apps also working perfectly. System font. Here the system font, you can change the font also. You can easily download from the themes, no problem. Here is the status bar. Let's check the status bar. Show LTE instead of 4G is working. Show connection speed is also working. Use new control center. Control center is also working perfectly. You can easily switch. It works smoothly. There is no problem in enabling any application icon QS settings. Here is the indicator. You can enable outside percentage inside also available. Let's say the sound also works perfectly, no problem in sound. Vibration is also working in the sound. Only navigation bar vibration is not working, else vibration is working perfectly. Let's say the sound effects. Here is the sound effects. Additional settings. Here is the tap sound. Tap sound is also working perfectly, no problem in tap sound. Here you can see vibration does not work. Here is the recent application. Here is the cleaner security system, deep clean, manage applications. You can manage. Here you can see. Let's check the password and security. Fingerprint or face unlock. We will check. How is the speed of the fingerprint? Got it. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Let's check the fingerprint. The fingerprint is working perfectly, but there is no vibration in the fingerprint. Only there is vibration in call receiving. Let's now click on done. Let's check the fingerprint. Tap, open, tap. There is no vibration. Fingerprint speed is good. There is no lag, or you can say it's work perfectly, no problem. Let's check the face unlock also, if face unlock works or not. Face unlock is working perfectly, but let's check the speed also. Speed is also very important. Here you can see face unlock is working perfectly, but there is lag. Here you can see. Let's check the let me apply the face unlock. Now here you can see I have successfully applied the face unlock. Let's check the speed of face unlock. You can add more data. Here you can see. Here you can see it's work perfectly, no problem in face unlock. Here you can see पहले एक बार मना करेगा आपको, फिर बिल्कुल ओके वर्क करेगा, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो. इट वर्क परफेक्टली, नो प्रॉब्लम इन फेस अनलॉक. स्पीड इज एवरेज, और यू कैन से लिटिल बिट मोर देन एवरेज. Second space is also working perfectly, no problem in second space. You can easily create second space. App is running in the background. Here you can see here is the floating window is also available. App is running. You hold to disable, you can disable it. Notification, but it takes drains your battery. My account is working perfectly, no problem. Special features, there are all the edge control. Edge control is not working in this ROM. Game turbo mode is also working. I have played the COD in this ROM also. It works perfectly, but it sometimes closes to the main screen. You can easily log into the Google account also. It works perfectly. I have already logged in. Let's check the device certified or not. If our device is certified or not. Here you can see device is certified. You can easily install Google applications. मतलब you can easily install the bank applications. Let's check the Geo if the phone is rooted or not. We will also check whether it says the phone is rooted or not. Security safety net is passed, no problem. Here you can see it's work perfectly, no problem in Geo, and you can easily use banking application in it. Google Pay is also working perfectly, no problem in Google Pay. You can easily send money. There is no error, or it does not say your device is rooted. You can easily log in. Here you can see these are the application installed in this ROM. Google Play is installed in this ROM. No need to flash any open gaps or flame gaps or any GMS. Here the messaging. Here you can see. Let's check the installation of this video. First go to recovery mode. First you have to click on the manage partition and click on data. Then you have to format the data. That simply type yes. I have already formatted, so I will not format. Then you have to click on back. Then you have to click on back. Then you have to click on the wipe. Then you have to select Dolby system, vendor, data, cache. You have to select these 5 items. Then you have to swipe to confirm wipe. Here you can see this will remove the previous OS you have installed in your ROM, in your device. Sorry. After transferring the data from PC to internet storage, then you have to click on Xiaomi.eu. Here you can see 12.0.3 to Redmi 4X. Then you have to click on this. Then you have to swipe to confirm. No need to take any item. Here you can see our installation has been started. It will take few minutes to flash this ROM, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. Then you have to click on the reboot system. Then your device will be rebooted to system. This will take about 15-20 minutes to boot your device. Depends upon your device condition. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.